What steps could be taken to improve the relevance of the skills being tested in these exams?
For example, suppose you are testing for engineering entrance examination. I don't think there is a great necessity of having a separate competitive exam at all. If your board exams are reliable enough, you can as well go by that, because the knowledge of physics, chemistry, maths, etc., if you compare, that should be enough. The problem is that different state boards have different standards, different marking level. That is why you require. So I am saying that as a national policy level, why we can't have a control on, let us say, the difficulty level of question paper across the various boards which are conducting exam. Can be some audit. There can be some parity in the syllabus. There can be some parity in the examination level and even in the marking level. That control could be kept by Education Ministry so that we don't repeat the exams unnecessarily. You don't make people to write so many exams, so many different exams. You push them into preparing for different exams and join for coaching and all. And presently what is happening, that because somebody wants coaching for IIT, he doesn't come to school, college for a couple of years. He instead goes to coaching class. He orients himself only for this exam and he barely passes in the board exam. So he is neither here nor there. And after he gets selected, whatever competitive exam he has written also he forgets. It is a loss and loss all the way. So there should be some rationalization that, okay, you make the board exams reliable enough, comparable enough, rational enough, so that you don't have to repeat so many competitive exams. So what has to be tested is, yes, mathematics, physics, chemistry, logic. If somebody is going for biology, sciences related subject, then yes, bio also. That's it. Beyond that, from a school pass out, what do you expect? That's all you expect. You can teach some other traits sometimes, like creativity maybe, like IQ probably, intelligence level generally. But I am not saying that things like verbal or quant, that is overkill. I am sure there are better means of checking creativity than making somebody to mug up a dictionary or solve 100 problems in 1 hour. That's not the definition of creativity, by the way. Creativity, according to me, yes, is related to thinking. There are two kinds of thinking. One is convergent thinking, other is divergent thinking. Now, convergent thinking happens when I am solving a mathematics problem, when I am focusing on applying some laws, some rules, some grammar rules and trying to analyze a sentence. It is convergent thinking. But creativity is more to do with divergent thinking. Suppose I give you a pencil and tell you how many different uses you can think of this pencil. Now there you have to apply divergent thinking. And I don't mean the regular writing, that use everybody will say, but how many other uses? So somebody would say that, okay, I travel by the local train. When the fans don't work, I turn it by pencil. Or earlier days, people used to wind cassettes with pencil. Now these are the creative thoughts, where you can think of something unusual, something offbeat. But I'm sure this kind of testing cannot be done with verbal and quant. There is one kind of test I have come across that we were told that, okay, you are writing a book on yourself. You design the front cover and back cover for the book. What caption you will give, how you will, what picture you will show, what description you will write to attract people to the book. That is something creative. So maybe what we can test is something related to marketing, something related to communication. Test the person that how he would respond outside his comfort zone when some unique challenge comes. So you throw some unique challenge and then see the response. Something unforeseen, not something for which coaching classes can prepare the person.